away, T-Rex! Hey guys, and welcome to the 10th anniversary video of Jucuma channel. That's right, this is the 10th video on Jucuma channel, and I just want to take a second and say thank you guys so much for watching. It means the world to me. I really do love making these videos for you guys, and so I want to give back somehow, so... Boom. What the... Oh, I thought it was backwards because the whole camera mirror thing. Anyways, this is a $50 gift card. I want to give it to one of you guys, so to get your name in the drawing, it's super easy. All you gotta do is get 6 of your friends to subscribe to Jucuma channel, take their picture, holding their phone, showing that they subscribe, email it to me, and boom, your name will be in the drawing, and in 2 weeks on a Blur's Day, I'll do the drawing, and one of you will win the $50 Amazon gift card. Full details in the description below. Before you read that, let's look at all the things you can buy on Amazon for $50. You could use 8 of those dollars to buy this Fortnite 7-inch llama loot plush, a sloth eating pizza shower curtain, a Minecraft torch, a Trump wig, Floss Like a Boss t-shirt, an infinity gauntlet, all the power of the universe, $32.99. There you go. Super creepy coin bank, dad bod fanny pack, 5-pound gummy bear, a boyfriend pillow, a cat tissue holder, 100% bear pee. For all you crazy avid hunters out there, bear pee. Bacon scented mustache, mini desktop fridge, Nicolas Cage throw pillow, handy squirrel, a turkey hat, and last but not least, the horse head. And there you have it. Those are just a few of the things you can buy on Amazon with $50. Oh, you know what time it is. Hey Jordan, can you step on a Lego? You monsters. Okay, you monsters, is this what you want? Is this what you want? I can't do it. Just do it already, you big baby. Hey Jordan, can you flee the country? Easy. Hey Jordan, can you show us a life hack? Of course. Okay, so here's a life hack for you guys. You know when you are doing your hair, you know the front looks good, but you find yourself not knowing if the back looks good? Well, the solution is group video calls. Now I can see the front, the sides, and the back. No way. Huh, I got a freckle right here. I never knew that. Hey Jordan, can you do Dino Bros go doorbell ditching? Challenge accepted. You can't ring the door. Okay, ring the doorbell and run. Okay, go.
You guys scared the crap out of me. I can see you.
Run, she saw us. Run, 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 get out of the truck. Can you? What? My friend. Can you?
Hello, hello, hello. What the crap? Hello there.
Run, run. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Okay. Hey, good job, man. Good job, man. Give me a high five. Sorry, it won't happen again.
It's fine. Okay, bye.
Hey guys, thank you so much again for watching the video. If you didn't see last week's video, click here. If you still need to subscribe, click here. And details on the Amazon gift card are below. Thanks guys.